guys, I'm here with a $1 haul. I've not been ordering a lot from anywhere really after Christmas, just have so much getting vlog stuff and then all that clearance stuff. I have this as a special for $1. If you went on and ordered it, you could get this. This is the die-cast Luke Skywalker snowspeeder. So this was $1 special. Protect the Rebel base, Hot Wheel die-cast, Disney, Echo base battle. And so this is what's in it. This was $1, you know. So hopefully these came in just in time. Today's my third child's birthday. My son, I have 5, the third one. But we're celebrating on Saturday because my daughter's coming in and all that good stuff. So these will be good. So I forgot I even ordered these, but I think these were $1. And they're by Wilson, so pick those up. And these were $1 or $2, and you definitely cannot beat that. These are the Target brand, and you know, fully sealed. That's excellent, excellent stuff. Older kids scissors. These are for ages 8 and up. So I got these for my 2 little kids because, you know, it's a step in between the little safety scissors and the big scissors. So I got 2 of these, I believe, and I think these were $1. The little pack of the razors. You really can't beat this. Another happy birthday, because I have got birthdays every month now. I've got February, March, April, May, June. Then I wanted to see what these socks were like, because they had these socks for $1. And these, I don't know if they're planet socks, Star Wars socks. I wasn't sure if they were those little tiny ones you see in Target. You know, like kind of like anklets, and my kids are kind of particular, but these are pretty nice. These are fit shoe size 6 through 12, and you can see that is, but they're a nice sock. I actually got 2 to try them out, and they had different styles, all Star Wars. So we'll see how those are. I bought a bunch of these Timberland gloves for $3 a pair for Christmas and stuff, and they're really good. They're touchscreen sensitive, and normal price on them is $34. So they had them again for $3 because they did bring them up to like $5, and then now they brought it back down to $3, but you can only buy 1 pair. And here's another one of the scissors. One of these pens, because I like the way they write. I don't care about the team, but these are $1, and it's like better than you'd buy in the dollar store. So it's a yoga mat that's normally a lot more money. I'll show you the company. This is Be Bold, Brazen, and Beautiful is the style. It comes in the bag. It was $10. Here's the mat. It's by cassinhouse.com. Okay, and it's a really nice. It's not a cheap mat at all. It's has that nice texture on the back. It's nice and thick. Let's see if they show you the design. The design is really nice. It says Be Bold, Be Brazen, Be Beautiful. I'll have to take a picture of it because I don't feel like opening it right now. But you can see them at cassinhouse.com. They have tons and tons of them. This might have even been $9. Some of them are $10, some of them are $9. Some might be $11. I don't know. It depends. But this might have been $9. So check that out. And there's free shipping. So it's nice that it comes in the bag. That's that haul there, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you've never tried $1, you can go to Dollar1.com, and they've got great things. They get a lot of closeout items. In Target, you get stuff from all over. So yeah, check it out if you've never checked it out. You might like it. And please like, subscribe, and share the video. We really would like to make 1,000 subscribers in the next few days, so you can help us out if you haven't subscribed. And if you subscribe and you have a channel, just let me know and I'll subscribe back. Thanks. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.